picked it up from my garden.
Let's go, careful. Good job, very good.
Where?
Good job. One more, please.
Dad, I remember I had my rhino beetles. I gave them King Kong. I miss my rhino beetle, Rosie, and now guys, I need to wash it because the stuff is stained. Do you eat leaves from King Kong? Guys, I just cut some large chili and some onions and stuff for some garlic and stuff for my King Kong. Do the King Kong now. Let's do it. We made the curry chicken and the King Kong, and we have some nice warm rice on the way to cook. So we'll see you in the next one. Let's eat. We made some nice King Kong, some rice and some nice chicken, curry chicken. Here we got some jalapenos and some soy sauce. I mean not soy sauce, oh yes, soy sauce. Now we have to put it in. Let's eat. I want to a brand